Close to 50% of the Earth's land surface has been destroyed to be used in agriculture. Never in the history of planet Earth has a single species have created so much impact on the planet. But why soybean fields, why palm oil matters so much to us is the big question. When one depletes a rainforest like this and turn it into a monoculture, you're definitely destroying incredible potential, such as nutrient, the cycle of nutrients in poor tropical soils, the storage of water, that is a fundamental source for any society today, the presence of chemical compounds, the potential of being able to develop different kinds of tropical fruits and understand them more so we could actually create edible things that we could develop in a substantiable way, and many other well, the carbon storage, of course. Remember that the rainforest fixes carbon dioxide, and of course it's making a very important environmental service to humankind. But all these studies have been assessed by the scientific community throughout the global tropics because it's a phenomenon that is occurring worldwide. So remember that ecosystems are functional units, and these units will define in the long run how Earth or what Earth will become with regard to climate, biodiversity, and other variables. Climatic effects, such as the mitigation of floods and droughts, the cycling of chemicals such as carbon, phosphorus, nitrogen, and the cleansing of pollutants from air and water, to name but a few, are things that intact ecosystems can give us if we learn how to use them in a wise fashion. These ecosystem services, of course, are provided to humans without any kind of cost. The cost, actually, becomes apparent only when human activities disrupt the ecosystems. That's when the problems start. Ecologists have identified a number of potential threats to the integrity of tropical forests. The most obvious of these threats is the loss of forest itself. The continuing process of deforestation, forest degradation, fragmentation, and loss of biodiversity is definitely something that is going out of control. Deforestation is a complex topic, I would say, because sometimes it's taken as just a simple forest clearance. Forests may not be completely cleared like a slash and burn, but they may be significantly degraded. Forest degradation results in activities such as logging, agriculture, mineral extraction, local hunting for bushmeat, and other consequences. But how will climate change affect forest dynamics and biotic interactions? Carbon sequestration and recycling of nutrients, How will invasive species and emerging pathogens affect tropical ecosystems and their human inhabitants? These things are yet to be seen, but definitely they will have a major impact in humankind.